Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update. Sorry, not Bitcoin, Pepe2 update. All right, Bitcoin update is coming later after this video. So we do have this pattern here on the 1 hour time frame, and it does look like previously, we talked about this left shoulder head and the right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. Nearly the technical target was met out there. Had a nice good trade with Pepe2 as well. Now at the moment though, we do have this sideways movement that happened, and for some reason you made a fake out and went down. So you had this one resistance up here, second one, third one here, broke out, retested, but still ended up coming down. So what I do see is a loss of support right here. So you do have this one support right there, one support here, one support right there, and unfortunately this trend line on the 1 hour time frame has been lost. So what we're looking for is this new candle here that has to basically retest up here. So we're talking about a move back up to 5298 and probably take some stop loss out there. So if you do go up here, get your head hit, bang up there, then you might be looking for another move down, and we're talking about a move down basically to this stop loss right there. So a lot of people might have set their stop losses over here, and it could be time we come down and we fill this wick right over there, maybe take some stop, come down, and keep in mind that the 1 hour time frame RSI is in the middle. Okay, you're not overbought, you're not oversold, you are just right there in the middle. Okay, so actually that also means that you do have room for a move back up. So if you do actually climb back up here and go back above, then that would be amazing, because the RSI still is in the middle. You do have chances for a move back up, but that actually depends if this retest get actually successful, and then you go back up and you just continue to go all the way to the upside. Another thing is, you have the trend line here, go up there, since the RSI is in the middle, as I told you, go back up, touch the line, get some kiss of death right there, and then go all the way to the downside. I do want to see how the 4 hour time frame also looks like. And yeah, so here you go, you do have this little bit of a spinning top. Actually, as I was opening up the 4 hour time frame, I just want to tell you that there seems to be a pattern in the making right there. And what I'm going to do is go back into the logarithmic scale, and I do believe that number one is that on the 1 hour time frame you have lost the trend line, isn't it? Secondly, you came down like this, and it seems like you've made a bear flag right there. Okay, so this bear flag does suggest that we're looking for Pepe to go all the way down from there to there, and we could be looking at a move down here. So we're talking about 3,542. Now I do believe we don't want to get above here. The only way to destroy this bear flag is if we do manage to get all the way up to 5758. So if you do look at Pepe closing above 5758 and holding this level, and that's it, we've invalidated this technical target. But unfortunately at the moment it does seem like you're moving all the way down here. And that's it for this update on Pepe2. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.